Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make red pickled cabbage. First, select a fresh, firm red cabbage weighing approximately 2 pounds. Remove any damaged outer leaves and the tough core. Then, thinly slice the cabbage into fine shreds. Transfer the shredded cabbage to a large bowl and evenly sprinkle it with 2 tablespoons of salt. This step is crucial for drawing out moisture. Now, gently massage the salt into the cabbage for about 5 minutes. You'll feel the cabbage begin to soften. After massaging, let the cabbage rest for at least 30 minutes or even up to 1 hour. During this time, the salt will draw out excess water, making the cabbage more tender and flavorful. You'll notice a good amount of liquid accumulating at the bottom of the bowl. While the cabbage rests, prepare your pickling brine. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. For extra flavor, add 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1/2 teaspoon of whole peppercorns. Bring this mixture to a boil, stirring until the sugar dissolves completely. Then, remove it from the heat and allow it to cool down slightly. Once the cabbage has rested, firmly squeeze out as much liquid as possible. This step is vital for crispness. Tightly pack the squeezed cabbage into clean, sterilized jars. Pour the slightly cooled brine over the cabbage, making sure it's completely submerged. Seal the jars and refrigerate your delicious red pickled cabbage for at least 24 hours before enjoying. It tastes even better after a few days.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.